Hello, my lovers. So this is Baby Bird Dave. We found him yesterday on my walk home from work. So we're gonna try and help him out and oh shit, I'm dropping the food. That's not good. Try to help him out and look after him. We believe. Well, what do you think he is, babe? Baby sparrow.
Yeah.
So you can feed him. Dave. Hello.
He does this every time you turn the camera on. He decides he's not hungry.
You hungry?
Nah, he's not hungry. He's had enough. He's twerking like he's about to poop.
He's just.
Shall I put him back on his warm pad?
He's adorable.
I'll show you his warm pad.
Got him.
I'll show you his heat pad.
Oh, he might want to eat now. You've moved him.
This is his heat pad. I've ordered some stuff from Amazon because we're not really prepared. But this is hot water in a container with a tea towel over the top and some tissue. And that's keeping him warm at the moment, nice and toasty. I've ordered all sorts of stuff to help him out, like heat pad, thermometer. Yeah, that's some feeding devices.
Have a wonderful day, my lover.
Yeah, have a wonderful day, my lovers.